I know a lot of life has been taken out of Shiba Inu. And when I say a lot of life, I don't mean that it doesn't have holders at all, that it doesn't have strength, that it doesn't have a reason to push forward, right? Um, I mean that all of the desire to get to a level of $1 is kind of gone. All the desire to get to 1 penny is kind of gone, right? Because that dream, that 1 cent dream, that 10 cent dream, that $1 dream, kind of went out the window as you saw the collapse of interest based off of the lack of the burning that we wanted. I've stated this, we've had everything set up to where we should have had massive burns. Like, we should have had burns that decrease the supply at a scale that we all expected, right? To see it drop trillions of coins and make the value of our cryptocurrency that we held a lot more, right? A lot more valuable. But in the more recent months and even years, we've seen that deplete. But that doesn't mean that Shiba Inu won't have any type of success. I think it will. And that's why I'm here making this video, is to talk to you about what that expectation is. Now, before we get into this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to do so. It is a phenomenal platform that I've been able to use for over a year at this point. I've been profitable on it. I've taken money off of it. I've reinvested. I've lost money as well. Ultimately, I'm net positive on it. But with all of the fluctuation, you can make money from the bottom of the market, or you can lose money while it's traveling to the bottom of the market. And you can make money vice versa, right? Because you can short on that platform, you can long on that platform, and you can do it at a 500x leverage if you wanted to. Now, I never recommend that, but if you want to go over there and check it out, you can demo trade, you can see what your luck is and see what your skills are. But if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055. You can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees and do all of this with no VPN and no KYC that's required. And also, let's say you do risk $100, right? You have the chance to win this giveaway if you sign up by the end of March. You sign up, deposit, and trade anything by the end of March, and you will be entered to win 375 USDT. And I'll tell you that there have been giveaways that we've done where only 3 people actually did everything. Some people signed up, some people signed up and deposited, but you didn't have people that signed up and deposited and traded, right? You only had 3 people that did it. So 2 out of those 3 people won 375 USDT. So if you want to be a part of that and you want to throw your hat in the ring, go ahead and check that link out at the top of the description. Now, Shiba Inu, right? Before we get into where the price is and everything there, understand that I was the biggest believer of Shiba Inu being able to burn, being able to get to a level of 1 cent, being able to get to a level of $1, and honestly make a lot of people money in the process. And I think one of those things definitely happened, right? Let's say two, right? Two of those things definitely happened. We saw some burns, right, from the community, definitely, and then from Shibarium for a brief moment because of the pressure from the community, right? We also saw people make money in the process of everything happening. Some people made money up to a $40 billion market cap. Some people made money from a $5 billion up to a $15 billion market cap. But people have made money and taken profit, and I know it for sure because they've reached out to me and said, hey, I took my profit in Shiba Inu and now I'm placing it somewhere else. And I'm happy for them. And there's a lot of people that also invested at that top point and may have lost money and are still believing in it getting to a level of a cent or a level of 10 cents or a level of $1. I'll just tell you that I am not one of those people that goes, I believe this is going to get to, or I believe that now this is going to get to a level of 1 cent, $1, or whatever, because now the burns are kind of off the table. Now anything can happen. We know for sure that anything can happen. I always leave the door open for anything that thing that can happen. But I'm not saying that 100% or a high percentage in my mind is like this is going to that level. However, I think that a lot of money can be made with this position. One is because it's an OG cryptocurrency. OG cryptocurrencies or OG meme coins tend to see all type of movement no matter what meme coin or other meme coins start to run. So things like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe is not really OG, but it's kind of listed in there. It's kind of linked into that area. So those three will always move as you move along. So Shiba Inu will always be around. Now, the level of popularity will probably drop off as time goes on. So if you're expecting a larger and larger and larger increase over time, you may not see that because, again, it is still a meme coin. So what I recommend when people ask me, hey, I just got on to Shiba Inu, what should I do? My suggestion is that Shiba Inu is at a very low price right now. It's at a 3.5 or 3.6 billion dollar market cap. It's seeing a 506104 level, up about 8% today, so it is moving a little bit today. The volume, we're seeing $170 million, still seeing a decent amount of volume, still available on Coinbase, still available on Binance, still available on many S tier and tier 1 exchanges, so you don't have any problems there. But if you're looking for gains, I would say you look more short term, not necessarily for the long term. For any meme coin, I would say you don't want to hold over multiple bear and bull markets. You want to buy in the bear market and you want to sell at that bull market. Whatever that bull market level is, don't get upset with the fact that it's running far past where you sold. You sell, you make your money, go on about your day. Next bear market, it comes back down. You then start to invest at that level. These are the predictable things that you can do. It's just within the time period, people tend to get greedy within that. So if it's at a bear market to bull market, within this is all like it could go up and down and up and down and up and down. But it's not a given that you'll see gains within it because you can lose as you're up at that peak point thinking, oh, it's going to pass the next all-time high or the previous all-time high. Well, it didn't and then came back down. You lost money, right? So that's where people get stuck. So if it was my suggestion, I would say buy in at a low point, which this is a low point. Sell maybe half or 75% of your position as you get to a high point, one that you can accept. It could be 500%. It could be 1,000%. But you sell a certain portion as you get up to that point. Leave some in for what can be the unknown. And then as it does get to those unknowns, you make money out of that as well. My expectation and what I have for Shiba Inu, because I currently have, I believe it's 100 million Shiba Inu, 90 million, something like that, which isn't really worth a lot at the moment. But my expectation is that Shiba Inu gets to the more short term 40 to 50 billion dollar market cap. As we look into altcoin season, has the potential to go to 100 or even 200 billion dollar market cap before decreasing back down at the top of that bull market. The reason why I say that is because, again, Shiba Inu is an OG meme coin. Dogecoin is an OG meme coin. I think they both will have major success breaking the 100 billion dollar barrier as you see many people get on and go, oh, Shiba Inu's running. FOMO. Boom, right? But have an exit plan as you're moving along. So it hits a $40 billion market cap. Okay, I'll accept something. That's a massive gain, right? It hits that's literally 10x at the moment. It'll be 1,000%. As you see it go forward, right? You sell maybe 50 or 75%. You have whatever's left. It grows to 100 billion. You can sell there, right? You then wait for whatever the low point is in your mind. You buy at that point. You can accept losses or you can accept unrealized losses as time goes on and then buy again. and then sell again. That's what meme coins are for. Meme coins aren't for you holding and utilizing it for as a form of payment or something. It's not. They're typically made for people to be profitable in a time period, right? Whatever that time period is, especially other meme coins, like shorter term meme coins, ones that are lower scale, those are extremely short term. You do not want to hold those over bear markets. You do not want to hold those between bull market and bear. You don't, right? You want to see you're holding in a bear market, you're seeing an increase in a bull market. Kind of the same thing goes for Shiba Inu, but you can kind of say that this is going to be a little bit safer. Anyways, I want to know what you guys think about this. What's your expectation for SHIB? Right? Price expectation, market cap expectation. Do you believe that it's going to get to a massively high level, or do you believe that it's just going to, flatten out and, be what it is now? I want to know your opinion in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.